Hey, ladies and gentlemen, you do it. My pressure washer won't start. I think it's an easy fix. So I used a pressure washer earlier in the year and it was fine, but it sat. It would run for about a second and then shut off. And I could repeatedly start it, but it would shut off immediately. So this is the Troy belt. It's the 875 EX series. On this unit, underneath here, you'll see the bowl for the carburetor, and it's this that we want to take off. And so you use a 1/2 inch socket to remove it. So I put cardboard underneath to catch the excess fuel, and I have a roll of paper towels on standby. Okay, so the tank is empty, so it shouldn't waste too much. Okay, so this is the bowl, and it's this piece right here that we need to clean out. So I'm going to spray carb cleaner in that hole right there and make sure it comes out the other side. This is a carb cleaner. So you want to make sure you wear eye protection when you do this. Alright, there's the hole right there, so I want to make sure it comes through that hole. Yep, there we go. It's coming out that hole. So that's how you clean out this here. But now there's this O-ring that fell out, so you gotta make sure you put this O-ring back. So I'd really appreciate it if you hit the subscribe button and give a like and add a comment if you like this video, if it helped you. So this is the bolt that I'm putting back in. Hope this solves your problem. If it does, leave a comment. Hey, thanks for watching the video. I'd appreciate it if you hit that subscribe button, give it a like, leave a comment, and be sure to check out my next video where I show you how to unclog a spray nozzle for the pressure washer. Thanks again.